Hello everyone. I intentionally asked you this simple question yesterday to simplify 2x squared minus 4 divided by x squared minus 4. Why? Because I know that some people will go extra mile to cancel this and say that the answer is 2, which is very wrong. In fact, you cannot simplify this. Remember, if I have, for instance, 1 divided by 2 plus maybe 1 divided by 4, this is the same thing as 3 divided by 4, right? So what you are seeing to the left-hand side is a partial fraction of the compound fraction to the right-hand side. So whenever you are given something like this and asked you to simplify, and you break it down to partial fractions, you are not simplifying. You can only simplify this to this. It means you should write something in its simplest form. For example, if I have 12 divided by 24, yeah, I can simplify this to 1 divided by 2. And from this, if you convert it back to this, you are not simplifying. It means you should break it down into its simplest form. So I think we cannot do anything to this, but for the sake of this tutorial, let me show you how you can convert it to partial fractions. You can see that degree on top and degree on the bottom are exactly the same, so you can perform a long division first. We have 2x squared here minus 4. We have x squared here minus 4. X squared can go into 2x squared exactly 2 times. Then 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times this will give us negative 8. Then you subtract. This minus this is 0. This minus this is the same thing as minus 4 plus 8, which is positive 4, right? So therefore, the whole of this fraction can be written as what? This 2 plus this 4 divided by this. But this is difference of 2 squares, right? Because 4 is the same thing as 2 squares. So we have x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2. Using cover up method, you know this is equal to 2 plus denominator is x minus 2, another denominator of x plus 2 for these two factors. Then what do you think the value of x will be to make the whole of this to be 0? The number would be definitely 2, because 2 minus 2 is 0. Then plug in that number here. It will be what? 2 plus 2 is 4. So write 4 here. Then the top we have another constant. You write it here. Do the same thing here. What do you think we can attach here to make the denominator 0? It's negative 2. Plug it here. Negative 2 is negative 4. So we have negative 4. To the top we have 4. So if you simplify this, you have 2 plus 1 divided by x minus 2. Then this is negative 1, right? Negative 1 divided by x plus 2. So this is the partial fraction of that compound fraction. But you should know that we are not simplifying. We are even complicating the issue. But if you are given this, you can easily simplify it back to this one. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.